Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Parameterizing SQL in Clauses, a comprehensive guide. Parameterizing SQL queries is crucial for preventing SQL injection vulnerabilities and improving performance. However, directly parameterizing the IN clause presents some unique challenges because the number of values passed into the IN clause can vary. This tutorial explores the different techniques for effectively parameterizing IN clauses, along with code examples in Python, using page 2 for PostgreSQL and SqlConnection 3 for SQLite, and C, using SqlConnection. Why parameterize IN clauses? 1. SQL Injection Prevention *. Consider this naive, and dangerous, approach. If user_ids contains a string like 1, drop table users, it can be injected directly into the SQL query, leading to catastrophic data loss. 2. Performance *. Many database systems optimize parameterized queries. When you repeatedly execute the same query structure with different parameters, the database can reuse a cached execution plan, leading to significant speed improvements. Constructing the SQL query string dynamically, even without malicious intent, will usually force the database to re-parse and re-optimize the query for each execution. Challenges of parameterizing IN clauses *. Unlike simple where conditions like where name equals %s, the IN clause accepts a variable number of values. Directly substituting an array or list of values as a single parameter usually doesn't work as intended, as the database engine interprets it as a single string value instead of a list of values for the IN clause. Techniques for parameterizing IN clauses *. Here's a breakdown of common